Built like a 1968 legend, powered like a modern supercar. This $150,000 Chevelle SS Restomod hides a 640 horsepower supercharged monster under classic muscle car skin. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel, because today we're looking at a machine that proves a classic muscle car can still dominate the modern world. This is the 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Restomod, a legendary American icon completely reimagined with cutting-edge engineering, breathtaking craftsmanship, and enough power to challenge some of today's fastest performance cars. At first glance, this Chevelle looks like it drove straight out of the golden era of American muscle. The unmistakable 1968 body lines, aggressive SS styling, dark green exterior paint, black vinyl top, and polished chrome accents create a perfect balance between vintage character and modern luxury. Every curve tells a story of an era when muscle cars ruled the streets, but this particular Chevelle has been transformed into something far beyond its original design. Under the hood is where this classic becomes something extraordinary. Instead of the traditional engine from the late 1960s, this build features a Chevrolet supercharged LS9 V8 engine producing an incredible 640 horsepower. This modern powerhouse delivers the kind of brutal acceleration and reliability that classic muscle cars could only dream about. The LS9 brings advanced technology, forced induction, and modern performance into a timeless American body, but power is only part of the experience. This Chevelle is equipped with a T56 Magnum 6-speed manual transmission, giving the driver complete control over every shift. The hydraulic clutch system provides a smooth, precise connection between the driver and the machine, creating the kind of engaging driving experience that true enthusiasts demand. This is not just a car you drive, it is a car you experience. The drivetrain is completed with a Ford 9-inch rear end featuring a 3.73:1 gear ratio, delivering explosive launches and strong highway performance. Every component has been carefully selected to handle the power while maintaining confidence behind the wheel. To control all that horsepower, this Chevelle features a serious performance braking system. Baer power brakes with four-wheel disc brakes provide modern stopping capability, while drilled and slotted rotors help manage heat during aggressive driving. Combined with power steering, this classic muscle machine offers a driving experience that feels completely refined. The foundation of this build is just as impressive as the engine. Sitting underneath is a Roadster Shop frame designed for exceptional strength, handling, and performance. The 4-link suspension setup, coilover suspension system, and custom chassis engineering transform this vintage Chevelle into a modern road performer. This is the kind of setup that allows the car to attack corners while still maintaining the comfort expected from a premium Restomod. The underside of this build is finished with the same attention to detail as the exterior. The undercoated underside provides protection, while the mandrel bent exhaust system and Borla mufflers create a deep, aggressive soundtrack that announces the arrival of this machine before it even comes into view. The electronic emergency brake, custom fuel tank, and explosion-proof bell housing show that every detail was considered during the build. The exterior design remains faithful to the Chevelle's legendary identity while adding subtle custom touches. The dark green paint gives the car a sophisticated and timeless appearance, while the black vinyl top adds classic muscle car personality. SS badging and chrome accents complete the iconic look. Custom hood hinges and a finished trunk demonstrate the level of craftsmanship hidden throughout this build. The stance of this Chevelle is impossible to ignore. Black wheels with chrome hub covers give the car a powerful street presence, while the massive tire setup provides both style and performance. Up front, 265/35 R18 tires deliver sharp handling, while the huge 345/30 R19 rear tires put the power to the pavement with confidence. Inside the cabin, the classic muscle car atmosphere meets modern luxury. The black leather houndstooth interior creates a perfect connection to Chevrolet's heritage while providing premium comfort. Bucket seats, a center console, and a factory-style steering wheel maintain the original personality of the Chevelle, but every detail has been upgraded for today's driving expectations. The interior continues with a factory-style upgraded gauge package, allowing the driver to monitor this powerful machine with confidence. Vintage air HVAC controls provide modern climate comfort, while the vintage air conditioning system ensures that this classic can be enjoyed in any weather. A factory-style radio and new headliner complete an interior that feels both nostalgic and refined. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Restomod represents the ultimate fusion of past and present. It carries the soul of a legendary American muscle car, but delivers the performance, comfort, and technology of a modern exotic machine. With a 640 horsepower supercharged LS9 engine, 6-speed manual transmission, Roadster Shop chassis, premium suspension, luxury interior, and show quality details throughout, this Chevelle is more than just a restored classic. It is a carefully engineered masterpiece built for collectors and enthusiasts who want the best of both worlds. Priced at $150,000, this 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Restomod stands as a symbol of American automotive evolution, where history meets horsepower and where a classic legend is reborn for a new generation.